I was just talking about this place, Mr. Purple. Anybody that asks me what is my favorite color, I say purple. The only thing this place is missing is more purple. It took me not having Spherio to realize how much I actually love Spherio. When the app wasn't working, I started to think, what if all of my Spherios were gone? It reinforces the long-term value that I sense from the creative process that is involved with Spherio. I was at a WeWork location.
Going to WeWork. Let's keep it rolling while I get out of the elevator. Let's see what this is like. I'm excited to see this and feel this, because that's what WeWork is. It's a feeling. This is precisely what I thought it was going to be. What do they put in the glasses? Champagne, hopefully, mimosas, just water.
Yeah, to be coherent.
What more could you need? This is actually really cozy. WeWork is a good idea. Practical and simple and quick. It looks like in and out if you want. Otherwise, engage, get comfortable. The sign says get comfortable. They're giving away free beer just like I thought they would. I chose a ginger ale for now because I'm consciously moderating.
So just inviting everyone to either sit comfortably or stand comfortably. If you feel alright with it, you can close your eyes. And in your own time, take 3 deep mindful breaths.
You brought your GoPro, or you? Oh, is this one of the 360s?
It is.
Nice. I'm Amanda.
Amanda.
Yes.
Hi. I want to give you something too.
Okay.
I developed an app for photographers.
Nice. Okay. Spherio. Awesome. Good stuff.
You can create a Spherio of all the pictures you took today and tag it right here.
This place is really special. I mean, really, it really is. I think that it makes boring people awesome. Normally, I'd say you know what time it is, and I'd do the thing. For the first time since the Spherio app has went live, there's something wrong. I have uninstalled it about 18 times. I've borrowed random people's phones, because this is WeWork, and that's how it is. It's like a community, and nothing is working at the moment. I've sent messages on Slack, and it's terrible. No Spherio to tag. This is very sad. For the very first time, thumbs down. When Spherio wasn't working, I wanted to cry. They say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and it was never truer. Oh my God, I almost jumped over this plant and would have fallen directly into this pool, and that would have been ridiculous. I was just saying inside of a 360 segment that I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't even be in the city right now if it wasn't for Spherio. It brought me here. But now I find myself going from place to place in this magical city, and you know what time it is. Spherio is working again. Thank God. Oh, how I've missed you and how I love you, Spherio. I love being a tech founder so much.